I'm still getting over who I was. There's no sense of trust, and there's no definition of love. So shed some light on me, hold me up in disbelief, and shed some light on me, and tell me something that I believe in. Shed some light on me and hold me up in disbelief, and shed some light on me and tell me something that I believe in. Shed some light. Something that